Hello, my name is Mayra Briseño and today I'm going to talk about Colombia. The president of Colombia is Ivan Duque Marquez. He is a lawyer, writer, and Colombian politician. He was born on August 1st in 1976. 17. He served as senator of the Republic of Colombia since July 20 of 2014 until April 10 of 2018. The capital of Colombia is Bogota. Bogota was founded as the capital on August 6 in 1538. It is 2,625 meters above sea level. It has a length of 33 kilometers from south to north and 16 kilometers from east to west. It is the main market in Colombia, the Andean region. Bogota has a total of 7.9 million inhabitants. The Colombian peso is the legal currency of Colombia. Its abbreviation is COP. COP. $1 is equivalent to 3,764 pesos. Touristic place. One of the touristic places that Colombia has is the Valle del Cocora. It's located in the central mountain range of the Andes. In the department of Quindío. In low seasons, up to 15 million people visit it. In a year, the number of tourists exceeds 1 million. Oh my god. Other is Cartagena. It is located on the shores of the Caribbean Sea. It was founded on June 1, 1533. It is one of the most important ports in Colombia, the Caribbean, and the world. The total population is 14,552 inhabitants, being the five most population municipality in the country. Industry is the Chicamocha Canyon. Chicamocha is located of 54 kilometers from Bucaramanga. It is the second largest canyon in the world. 46 million years ago, this was an immense lake that allowed the formation of caves and sheltered marine animals whose remains can still be found. The tradition. In Colombia, the coffee is a representative product of Colombia, and it is customary to drink in Colombia homes. As a cultural custom, the pot of walk is carried out with which consists of making lunch at home and going out to an open field outside the city to spend the day and eat. And the tree is a tradition to fly a kite in August, the month in which there is more wine. It is customary to go with the family. And my invitation. I invite all people from other countries to come and enjoy Colombia. Since it's a beautiful country with a great diversity of fauna and flora, uh, Colombia has a many places which you can visit. And in addition to the people who make you feel comfortable and tasty.